So, Johnny, how can blockchain technology be used to help the shipping industry clean up its act?
Well, it's interesting. We wrote about this in Digital Bytes a couple of weeks ago now, because the world's largest shipping container company, Maersk, had donated 400 million Danish crowns, about 48 million pounds, to carry out research in Denmark to assess how carbon emissions can reduce in the shipping industry, because they're actually looking to reduce the amount of emissions by over 50% by 2030. Because the container shipping industry, whilst it moves 80% of our goods globally around the world, it accounts for 3% of all of the carbon emissions. Now, interesting, historically, ships that sailed the oceans clearly were powered by wind, and it wasn't until 1819 when a ship called the SS Savannah was partially powered by steam, actually crossed the Atlantic. But unfortunately for the health of the planet, we've gone from a very environmentally friendly wind to ships powered by bunker oil, wandering around the country, wandering around the world. But now they're coming under pressure, these container ships, from companies like Unilever and Volkswagen, who are moving lots and lots of components and lots of finished goods, and their clients, in turn, you and I, are demanding that they have they understand their carbon footprint and do something about it. So what we're actually seeing is blockchain technology is being used, first of all, to identify the actual carbon footprint as goods and products are moved around the world. But what we're also seeing is being used by companies like BunkerTrace. And this is using a combination of fuel additive and blockchain technology to track and trace the bunker oil that's being used, as well as the source where it came from. Because there are very different grades of bunker oil, and some of the dirtiest, smelliest is the worst polluting, whereas you can have better quality bunker oil. And so using a combination of technologies like Internet of Things, AI, and blockchain technology, we're beginning to amass a much better understanding and greater visibility, greater transparency, which is going to be required as we focus on the long-term health of our planet.